Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois. Today I have this Pro Touring 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle that's been turned into a resto mod car. It's got the Vortex 6000 LS motor set up, overdrive transmission, a couple little goodies in the motor. As far as the headers are concerned, you got power steering, you got power disc brakes, upgraded wheel and tire package. Beautiful black paint on the car. It's four-wheel power disc brakes, dual exhaust, nice solid trunk, nice paint, and very nice interior. A few things about the car. On a scale of 1 through 10, this is a 7.5, 8 out of a 10 car. It's a very, very nice paint job, but it's not perfect, guys. It's not a $30,000 paint job. It's nice and clean and smooth. Does have a few little blemishes, and I'm trying to find them. I'm just being very picky on the car. I want you guys to understand it's not a $30,000 paint job. There's a couple little scuff marks right there, if you see that. In the door here, when you close it, it needs to be touched up right there. Some of the weather stripping around the quarter windows will still need to be replaced, but everything else has been replaced. There you go. Aluminum radiator. This thing sounds like a beast. Underneath is super clean on the car. Let me start it for you guys. It does sound real good. It's quiet on idle, as you can hear. Cool stance, huh? Love the quarter windows on the 6.6s. Quarters have been replaced from this line all the way down throughout. They did a nice job on both sides. Let's see if I can zoom in there. As you can see, it's a 10-bolt rear end, dual exhaust. Just a very reliable driver with modern touches throughout. Real nice and clean setup. Beautiful paint. I love the paint. Tilt wheel with the chrome all set up. We still have to finish off a couple things. I got to connect the headlights. I got to connect the wipers. I got to connect the horn, the speedo, the gauges there. I have not connected those yet, but will do before the car gets delivered to you guys. And the mirror just came in, so I got that. Really nice, smooth down the road. Stops real nice as well with the power steering and the four-wheel power disc brakes. Just a nice car, guys. So if you guys need financing, that's not a problem. If your credit score is between 600 and 739, okay, please go to MGMClassicCars.com for the application. Rates are between 5 and 7%, 84-month term. You'll need about 10% down. For those of you who have a credit score of 740 or higher, rates are between 3 and 4%, no money down option, 84-month length of the loan, no prepayment penalty, unsecured loan, approval in about 15 minutes. Again, if your credit score is 740 or higher, go directly to lightstream.com and fill out the credit application. If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. You guys see what I got coming out tomorrow. If you're watching on Facebook, like it and share it, guys. If you need delivery, text me your phone number at 847-848-1850. If you don't text, not a problem. Leave a message after the tone, and I will get back to you. My name is Thomas. Thanks for watching. MGMClassicCars.com.